How to use Clickup for task management. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to use Clickup for task management, first of all you have to log in or sign up to Clickup. So let's log into it. So this is the dashboard of ClickUp. Now let's say you want to customize it according to your need. From here you can schedule your tasks. For your task management you have to enter the task name of your task. So I'm going to add it to something like this task, and from there you can add description of your task. So the task is about sleep earlier, okay, something like that. Then you can tap onto these options and then you can add it to do. Now you can create a new file for date. So I'm going to add a date. Now you have to enter descriptions if you want. Then you have to enter the date type like checkbox. Okay, let's tap onto date and then you have to tap onto create. So after tapping onto create you have to enter the date of your task from over here. Just simply add a date of your task from here. Then you can create new field. You can also choose some previously made templates. Tap onto use template or create instantly from template. You can just tap onto that option, and after tapping onto the option you can just choose that what type of plan do you want, like social media content plan or etc. Tap onto use template. Then you can just simply edit every single of them, like each one of them you can edit, and then after completing the editing then you can just tap on to save and you can save it up. So this is how you can use ClickUp for your task scheduling and your task management very easily. You just have to save them up and then you are good to go. So this is how you can see my plan has been created, and then you can tap on the three dot icon, you can rename, then you can add a column, and you can just tap onto this remind me option, and then you can just tap onto this remind me, and then you can add time very easily. So now you can save it up. So this is how you can use it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.